going to do some of these questions. First of all, what is meant by the term electric current? Well, we'll just dive into your book here and we can see that current is the flow of electrons in a wire. So we'll just grab that answer there, and that is what we would like to use for the first answer. Okay, so answer for question 1, current is the flow of electrons in a wire. Okay, there's my first answer done. What carries electrical current through a wire? Interesting question. You might compare electricity flow of water similar. Okay, so technically you didn't have to do this part, but look, we'll give it a go anyway. In order to get electrons in a wire to move, the electrons must be given an energy push. This energy comes from the battery. You might look to think of a battery as a pump for electrons. This pushing power of a battery is measured in volts. Batteries are compared using their voltages. The voltages of a battery can be measured using a voltmeter. The unit of voltage is the volt. Okay, so what we're going to say is the question was, what carries the electrical energy through a wire? Okay, so what carries electrical energy through the wire? Energy is used to move the electrons through the wire. This energy comes from the battery. Okay, there you go. So basically this part here. There you go. So there's the answer for part 2. In order to get electrons through a wire, in a wire to move, electrons must be given energy pushed. This energy comes from the battery. You might like to think of a battery as a pump for electrons. The pushing power of a battery is measured in volts. Okay, that is our answer for the second part. Just about knowing where to look in the right places, guys, really is the real skill in science. Yeah, that's the answer for B. This is the answer for A. Now we're going to go for the answer C. What term is used to describe a substance that allows electric current to pass through it? Well, that would be a conductor. Okay, conductor. D. What term is used to describe a substance that will not allow electric current to pass through it? A resistor. Okay. And E, in order for current to flow, a battery must be connected to a conductors in a circle that allows current to flow. What term is used to describe this arrangement of conductors? An electronic circuit or electric circuit. Okay, and that's the answer for part E. Alright guys, now we're on to the next one. Name an instrument used to measure the amount of current going through a wire. Well, this is known as an ammeter. Okay. Let's see if we can find it in your there it is there, ammeter, used to measure current. Okay, let's go back again. Draw a circuit diagram to measure the circuit flowing through a bulb, a battery and a switch should be included. Okay, so I should probably just look for this circuit. I'm sure there's a circuit somewhere here for me. Okay, let's move up. Ah, there's our circuit right there. There's our battery, our bulb, and our ammeter. There you go, send to current page. So this is the answer to part B. So we have our switch, which is that one, our battery, which is this one, our bulb, which is this one, and our ammeter to measure how much, an inbuilt ammeter to show how much current is going through. C, what's the term to use for a range of two bulbs when the same current flows through both bulbs? This is what's called a series circuit. They're in series. Okay, so let me explain here. We're going to look for a series circuit. This one here is a series circuit. See the two bulbs in a line? In a series circuit, the same amount of electricity goes through both bulbs, or the same amount of same current goes through both bulbs. Okay, you can watch my other video on that if you're a bit stuck. Okay, now okay, so we have a series circuit. What's the disadvantage of the above arrangement of bulbs? Well, if one of them cancels out, so if we take a picture of the series circuit, if one of the bulbs blows, the full circuit blows as well. So it's all about whether you can get around the circuit or not. So if I cut off one of the bulbs like this, it means electrons can't get through anymore. So it stops. So if one bulb blows, they all blow out. Okay, so that's not going to be a good advantage to a series circuit. Okay, next one. Draw a circuit of two bulbs in parallel. No bother. There it is there. Okay, so there's my battery and my two bulbs in parallel. Okay, so there's my answer for part A. Okay, now what's the one from part B? When measuring the current in a circuit, what term is used to describe the way the ammeter is connected in the circuit? It's called in series, where if you put an ammeter here and an ammeter in here, they have to be behind it to measure it. Okay, so that's called in series. Okay, C. What term is used to describe the ability of some substances to slow down the flow of a current in a circuit? These are known as things known as the resistivity of resistance or resistivity of an item. Okay, so there we go, guys. All right, that's it. Done.